Hey guys, my name is Pushpinder Sani. Once again I came with a very interesting tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to tell you about how you can implement face recognition system in your mobile application. Basically what is that? It's provide the authentication locally on your device so that user can authenticate through the face recognition system without having any issue. Okay, so it will make more secure of your iOS application. So let's begin with the development and understand how we can implement in our iOS application easily. So let's have a look on this project. At the very first I'm creating one fresh application for that. So here I'm going to give the name. I will select storyboard. After that I will click on next, and over here you can select the location of your project. So I select and click on create. Now here is your project. Now at the very first you have to create one view, and view means you have to give one button which will work as login functionality. Okay, so I will take one button. So guys, here is my button. I will take the outlet of this button in my view controller. I'll drag and drop, and I'll say login button action, and here you can select UI button, click on connect. After that take one reference of the button with outlet, simple outlet. Okay, we can say login. So after that click on connect. So now you have done each and everything over here. Now what we will do, we will open our view controller, and from here you can see this is the outlet which we have take from the our storyboard. Now we are going to integrate the functionality. So at the very first what you need to do, so let's look on that. Very first you have to import one package, and which is local authentication. Okay, this package will provide us the functionality for the local authentication on your device. So for that what you have to use, you have to use the context of this. So I'll take where context la context over here. Now after that, at the very first in view did load function, so now begin with view did load function. In view did load function we will write context dot can evaluate, and privacy policy will be dot device owner authentication. From here let's say it is nil by default, because it will ask for the permission first time. Okay, after that what you have to do, now we will begin with the login button functionality. So at the very first I will take where error and type of ns error. By default it is nil. Now I will write a if condition, if context dot can evaluate policies. So over here default owner authentication policies, and at the place of this I will pass error. Now we have done. In else means something error is there, so I will print error found, and here I will print it's error dot localized description if it is there, or we can say nothing found. Okay, so after that what you need to write, you have to provide the reason. So let reason equal to, we can say login into the application. After that context dot evaluate policies, and over here same default device owner authentication, and at the place of reason we will provide reason. So here it will be success and error. Now if success is true, then it means we got the authentication, else print, here we will put error, and we will print that error dot localized description. Okay, so this will be our error. Now after that what you need to do, just a moment, it will be like that. It means you go to the authentication, and here we can say login button outlet dot set title, and we can say log out, and here state for normal. Okay, now it will be self. Now it's done, and it's saying that there could be some error, and by default we will take the value of this empty. Now we have done with this. Now we will run our application into phone, and we will check the output how it's working. Before that, I will set the sign in and capability. If I click on login, then you can see it's show the passcode. So over here we have to make our face recognition. So for that we have to do some settings. We forgot to add the permissions over here, so we have to add the permission for the face recognition system. Privacy, face ID uses, provide, save and run your project. Now if you run, then you will see it's asking for do you want to allow face recognition and to use. So click on OK. After click on OK, it's here. So we have to write one more code for that, and it will be dispatch queue dot main dot async, and over here we will pass this data. Okay, now save and again run. Click on login. Here it is. Now you can see the title has been changed to logout. Now what we can do, we have to integrate the logout functionality. If user click on that, it means it has to be logout. Okay, so what we can do, on the click of login button, we can identify if login button outlet dot title label dot text double equal to login, then it means this is supposed to execute, else logout means the title change will be changed to, or I will copy paste the entire thing over here, and I will say to this login. Now again run the application and check the output how it is working. Login, it has been successful logged in. Logout, it says logged out. And login again, if it is not identify your face, then you can see here how it is working. Okay, try face ID again. If it will not work again, then it will automatically ask you for enter passcode of the phone, and here you need to enter the passcode of the phone, then it will log in successfully. Okay, so that is a very simple development of the face authentication in your applications. I hope you understood the complete video tutorial. If you have any doubt related to the complete video tutorial, then please comment into the comment box, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel, because on this YouTube channel you will find lots of programming videos like MKMap view in Swift UI, how to integrate pagination in Swift UI, pagination in collection view with Swift 5, onboarding screen in Swift UI, and lots of Swift 5 programming videos also is there on my YouTube channel, so you can find out after subscribing. Thank you so much. Have a great time. Bye bye.